Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, boy, me I tell you. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. Well, it seems like these people have a serious issue with Vybz Cartel. It seems like all of these insects, you understand, have a serious problem with the teacher. My viewers and my subscribers. So, this video came across to the attacking boss now. And basically, this is DJ Kentucky, you know. You know DJ Kentucky? A DJ Kentucky, this from them I'm here now. You see me? And this is what him have to say about Vybz Cartel pertaining to the fact. So whether DJ Kentucky want to put up this video when Vybz Cartel signed the paper, I want to put up yesterday and today, it came across to my attention today. And that's why I address it today. You see me? Attack. So, Kentucky are now my people. I want you to listen what my officer. Listen what my officer before me even drop into it. Listen.
Cartel. You're disappointed, brother. Cartel, you're smart. I know if I'm the real Cartel there road, but why me see you in a Joe office and not Joe in a your office? I've never seen Joe out of the 13 years of your incarcerated years. Check out a segment out of REAS0N to salute a Vybz Cartel. Wow, half an hour to put some fists in her ear and sing some Gaza song. It's never been done. Brother, you're smarter than that. I don't do the real Vybz Cartel. I don't know where in there. This is business. Never sell out your brand. Never give your brand to another man. Never ever. It's obviously means you get a percentage of your own a brand, your own a name. Giving 3/4 of this to blood clot Joe them. Who is Joe? Joe should have been at your office door and knock and say, "You can I come in?" And you say, "Joe, hold on, look a bit. Let me deal with business in the soon chat here." This is not the Vybz Cartel we know. Cartel, you have better sense than that. Giving your brand such as this to a man who already have a reggae place is ridiculous. Remember me tell you, me did already pack my shoes and sit in there and go look at blood clot Airbnb before their show. If Joe get half of your money, I am not going. Brother, you could have called to bus time, you could have called to Nicki Minaj, you could have called to anybody overseas and they would assist you. Quick and fast. You could have actually exercised barter systems. So here we go and come set in production. Come set up and make you a show in a different country and different time. Now we need a Vybz Cartel, you are the world empire. What is you do? What are you doing in a people office? What are you doing a people in your office, you? What is man?
My people. You hear what I'm officer now? So the fact we're not talking about learn, you understand, whatever. Because Len might cover fine now. Though. I'm going to bring up Joe. Cartel. Like him have to say Cartel make a full move. Eh? Like him have to say Cartel na this, Cartel na that. My people, you are going now. You see, some people, they only using Vybz Cartel name for clout. Nobody never see them. Nobody never know them. You understand? And now them want to use the teacher name for a big clout, my people. You see me? All along, you know, while Cartel was incarcerated, my people, none of them never have nothing to say about teacher. Them not nothing to say about Cartel, my people. They not campaign to say, you know what I mean? Teacher innocent. He was wrongly this. They not nothing to say, my people. They might enjoy them life. They might do this, they might do that. But now forward, all of these termites, insects and jankras have all type of things to say about this and about that. Listen me, Kentucky, let me ask you a question. Kentucky. So, want to feel a little case that we go on that little RAPE thing there? What go on for that something there? You good? No, Kentucky, you good? That thing that good? You get your thing fixed up? Because I think at the time where you're taking Kentucky. If you're dipping a man business side, brother, you need to go sort out your thing, G. Me I tell you the truth, G, and us. You see me? Load certain things, bro. You see me? Alright, people, if Kentucky want the thing straighten up, then if you want to understanding or a local knowledge in him head, instead of them run him toilet like that, let me say this, right? Anybody with common sense can say this or know this for a fact. If Vybz Kartel himself, my people, decides to look here, me I go keep my show by myself and me I go do my thing and promote my thing. People, you don't need glass or nobody don't need one chip in them brain for no one say that would never work at Jamaica. Unless it now go keep a yard. People, me I tell you, they will give me permit for sure, but for sure say, them I go lock you down. For sure say now go past 12 o'clock. Me I tell you people, you think say Vybz Kartel don't know? Eh? You all see what the system try to do this man, my people. You all see how much methods and things they try against him. So you feel so them a go want Cartel just come out and go run, come make millions of dollars like that so easily. They know what's coming. They know. So them go try all type of means and people. You see as Cartel announced December, Leng stinging up. From what date? Sting is from the 26th to the 28th of December. Because them do Sting 3 days now. Remember, Sting was just one night. The greatest one night show up on earth. So basically they want to have it so must be the greatest 3 days show up on earth, right? So things has been changed. You see me with them. New promotion, Leng son I did this or that. So you feel like say Leng, it don't really give Vybz Kartel a chance. My people, number one. Now you put a hype on him toilet the other day and talk say 4 million US whatever pay, which me no know about that. If him know, me no know. You understand? I never saw no paper disclose and say how much is this contract, how much Vybz Kartel get from Joe. You understand? With some thing, I don't know, my people. But me personally have this to say. That's the best move Vybz Kartel can ever make with him return concert if it shall be held in Jamaica, my people. Him never have a better choice. You know what I mean? And anybody who gave him this idea, because I know the Cartel naturally don't forward, you know, my people, and do this on him own, you know. But anybody who gave him this idea and said, Vybz Kartel, look here, link Joe. You know what I mean? Or if Joe link him, and say, yo, boom, deal. Because people, Vybz Kartel and a fool. So let the people got, when they got talk Kentucky about, you don't know what in their head or who is Cartel now from where the other Vybz Kartel. Bro, they need to leave the man alone. You know, see how the man are roll now. It's a different, you expect the man to forward 13 years behind bars, bro. 13 effing years in a Jamaica prison system. I expect a man to forward out and be the same person he was yesterday. The man was 35, now he's 48 G. The man I move more people, Cartel is moving more conscious than ever before to me, personally. And this is, yo, the man I move like a real big man. I'm not saying that boy, but the man I move like a real OG, you know. When I have to say, yo, look up to him on a real level and say, yo, Chano Cartel, yo, the man is on a different level, real level. So if you are going to talk, say, you might move like a fool now or whatever. Bro, use the fool, use the clown. Look on yourself, bro. You don't go talk, shut your mouth. Check the comments them and see if you get, if 100 comments there, must say 2 back you. And the 2 look followers them back you. Nobody not. People, let me tell you this, sir. Number one, Leng a Cartel biggest hater. Leng no like Cartel. Cartel do it in an interview and tell you. And it was even stated that Leng is the one who they behind all of this thing, why these men were incarcerated and everything. You see me? You ain't need laws to say that. So deep inside, bro, you feel like, say, man, people, Joe Bagnovich is the biggest promoter in Jamaica. REAS0N is the biggest show in Jamaica. Biggest. Sting can't go near that. The biggest. When Africa can run our toilet the other day and talk about them sell out this and who make that take over, some face and this and that. Now listen to that, them adu man. Them man they brain chip in the people. They don't know menopause I'll right she, you know, my people. You understand? Look at stamina in her back, run out and turn her in a voodoo. Make sure get cracking out. You see me? But real people who know these people know say for a fact. Cartel and a fool. You for say Cartel I go give my Joe a show. And him know say whatever him a get from that. Now gonna be a whole sum of money. You feel say Cartel no know say if he manage to keep a show, people or whoever him get, you feel say him now gonna go through the best methods and the best move and come to the best decision he could have ever made when keeping a show. You feel say this man born back a cow? Eh? So when people are going to run them out and talk shit, you understand? As me say, better on a lock on the toilet. Lock it up. It stink. Really and truly, it stink. You understand? People, everybody don't know this, my people. The reason why Vybz Kartel this, personally, why him not do it on him own, all because of Len. You understand? All because of that. You see me, him know where to forward from, him know the system go. He told you about the system. Sean Storm fought on an interview and he told you about the system. When they ask about his incarceration, he tell you, the system, bro. It never need glass. It was a regular man who them have these things, or whatever did happen. We talk about this because we now go back to that. The done deal, done gone, man, them done burn up 13 years, then they are road. So we now want to go back to this. But me going to show and say, if it was any regular body people, whatever happened to them would happen. You see me? Done this, so. But I'm just telling my people, listen what me I say. People, Vybz Kartel make a smart decision and the best decision he could have ever made in his life. So when they look at hear them look at crosses and run them out and talk about causes, don't listen to them people. Them ungler use the teacher name now for your clout, for your hype. Because them flap out. You see me? And whether them used to be Cartel biggest fan back then or when. Eh? How much time they campaign for the freedom of Vybz Kartel and for his innocence. How many times they found out on the media and speaking about the system and the corruption in the system that's affecting others out there, not alone Vybz Kartel, but other inmates and other youths who have been damaged by the injustice system in Jamaica. How much of them? How much time do they do these things? But now they want to come run them toilet and talk this and talk that. Eh? The man a big man. The man who, and if so be the case, if the man want to make a decision and get 1 cent and not get $1 for him, sure. I am business that. That ain't your business, bro. Go fix your business and me say, go check on that thing there if it good. The RAPE thing there. Kentucky, it good? Eh? You good? Remember that the pioneer, it good? People, I don't talk. Big up on yourself and more love, more blessings and more respect, my people. I don't know the attacking basket to work. Attack, attack, attack. Hey, Kentucky, attack for you. Attack. People, beat you with the attack. Attack. No joke, no leniency, no plea. Attack, attack, attack. Remember, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. X the thing there. Facebook, the page you know, follow it, NEWLINK Production, please. Instagram, please follow it, my people. You understand? NEWLINK Back to School 3 2024. We need no support, my people. Check below in the description for the people. Give a contribution, do it for your cause. And remember, people, right? You know what I mean? Your information today. You give us support. It could be $1, could be $10, 100 or 50 people. NEWLINK Back to School 3 September 2024, people. Please support the movement. Me I beg you, please, it's for your cause. A natural thing. We are doing this thing for years of people. Please support the movement. You understand? Do it from the heart with God by your side with people. Because every contribution go to a cause. Peace out and stay safe. People, how do them?